Hello, I'm Samir. I'm the founder of SAM company from Iraq. I found WEBTECH engineering private company from India. I came India. This is my second visit. I bought all machine for my project from WEBTECH. I bought 6 machines from them. From ATM slitting machine, label slitting machine, and A4 hole integration, fully automatic machines. This is going to be the first project in whole Iraq. Thank you, WEBTECH. I'm very satisfied.